Hello everyone, you're on the Crypto Sellers channel, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to set up Binance Smart Chain Testnet node on your server, and after that how to connect it to the Axelar network. For successful installation I will use Axelar documentation. Just go to the developers and open docs. After that proceed to the validators, support external chains, and click on Binance. Okay, here is the setup requirements. For successful installation you should have a server with 2 CPU, 8 GB RAM and 200 plus GB SSD server. I already got my server. I got server from the Testnet. Actually you can use any other VPS server which you like. And let's continue. So the first step is upgrade our servers. Just copy and paste these commands in the command line in your terminal. Okay, the next command line. Let's install Go. Now we can copy and paste all these lines in our terminal and press enter. Okay, the second step is install a BSC testnet node. Let's open a folder and make git. Okay, the third step is downloading the config files. We should check the latest release. According to the guide, the latest release is 1.1.11. Let's open the release page and compare. Okay, here you see that here is the latest release to 1.1.12, so I should download this one. To do it, we need to only change one figure, so we need to change 11 on 12, and that's it. I will use the notepad to correct the file. It will be like this, and we right now can download this Genesis file. Okay, for the testnet we should also copy and paste it on the notepad and change the last figure. Let's unzip. Alright. For the mainnet we can skip because this configuration is available only for the mainnet. Now we should move our binaries. Now we need configure all toml file. Let's open it. Okay, what is here? Let's check the guide. Inside the config toml file, font line HTTP host and change IP from this one on our IP address. And after that we should scroll down and delete the following lines. Alright, let's try to do it. Okay, this one HTTP host looks like we should change it. And let's input my IP address. It will be 168.119.157.16. Alright, it's done. And what we should delete? Scroll down and delete the following lines. Not config and saturate. This one we should delete. Okay, that's it. So let's save the changes. It will be Ctrl plus X and Y. Enter. Okay, the configuration is done. Write state genesis locally. Okay. Now we need to config system service file. We can highlight all of this and after that input there in the terminal and press enter. Okay, let's start the process and press enter one more time and let's check the logs. Okay, looks like at the moment our node starts syncing and we're looking for the peers. Yeah, so my node found some peers and start synchronization process. From this time you need around 1 or 2 days for full synchronization. I will continue this video later on. Alright, looks like my node complete synchronization process and now we can go out from this journal. And let's check one command line. By this command line you can make sure that your node is fully synchronized. Insert it and I got here a mistake, so I need to change my IP address in this command line, so I will do it like this. This we can delete and input our IP address. It will be 168. And let's press enter again. And finally, if you've got result false, this means that your node is fully synced. And from this moment you can continue and you can connect your Binance Smart Chain node to the Axelar network. To do this you should proceed for the support external chain and click overview. In overview list you should scroll down and find config.toml file. Inside this config.toml file you can find all important information which we should change. And this is example what we should to change. So here's the Axelar bridge VM, name Ethereum. From my side it will be Binance RPC address. Here I should import my Binance IP address and start with bridge true. So from the beginning here will be false, but I should change it to the true. For the beginning let's prepare our IP address and it should be ready to input it to the config.toml file. So I can come back to the Binance, scroll down, and here is the example how my IP should be looks like. So I just will copy this one, I will insert it to the notepad and correct it. So I need change only my IP address. So it will be like this, and from now I should proceed to my Axelar Network node. Inside my Axelar Network node I should type the following command. It will be nana.axelar/config/config.toml. Right now I am inside my config.toml file and I should scroll down. Okay, here I am, and right now I already see that I have Axelar bridge VM, name Binance RPC address. So here I should input my IP address from the example which I prepared. And start with the bridge. I should change files on true. After that you need to save the config.toml file by the command Ctrl+X, Y and enter. And after that you should restart your Tofund and Vault service inside the Axelar network. And let's check how it's work. I see that my Binance Smart Chain is connected, so this means that I did everything correct. So right now I will come back to the overview and I need to register my Binance node. I will use this command line for registration my external chain, but I will little bit correct it. The my command will look like this. So here I just input the chain ID. And I also insert gas auto and gas adjustment. Okay, I will copy it and input to my terminal. Okay, I should input my password. And that's it. From this moment we can say that your Binance external chain are connected to your Axelar network. To check it, you can proceed to the Axelar scan and check your node. My validator name is CryptoSellers. On the supported external chain I see the Binance icon. This means that my node support EVM Binance Smart Chain. From this moment you know how to connect Binance Smart Chain to the Axelar network node. So go ahead and thank you for watching. Goodbye.